The first Roman emperor Augustus is well known for the complete transformation of the Roman state, preservation even, but also preserved by Suetonius are several of his favorite sayings that border on the folksy. My favorite, Calerius quam asparagi coquuntur, more swiftly than asparagus is cooked. Or as we hear in I Claudius.
Or as quick as boiled asparagus.
Okay, so Martha Stewart suggests that it takes about 5 to 7 minutes to boil asparagus, longer for the jumbo size. So I guess that's fast? Another phrase from Augustus that we hear about in Suetonius is that when talking about being tired, he would use the verb beitizzare, to be like a beet, like the vegetable, instead of the verb languere. A beet, if you don't know, is pretty soft, and so being tired is to be softer or weaker than a soft beet. When tired, instead of saying, I'm beat, Augustus would say literally, beitizzo, I am a beet.